In this short video I'm going to show you how to select different fill patterns per different regions and different colours in the Data 7 Ice application, new for 2025. So I've opened up the application. Let's go and open up the Data 7 badge. Head over to the embroidery tool. Here's a standard fill that's already selected, so if I just zoom in you can see that that's just adding a standard seeding fill or fill pattern there on these. So I'm going to reset, remove all the regions, and now I'm going to choose a heart, a large heart at 45 degrees. If I wanted that at 0 degrees I just simply remove it and add it again, or you can edit it directly on the regions grid here. So 45 degrees, you can see the heart behind, and there we go, it's now 45 degrees. But I want a different heart. I want a smaller heart for the center. You can see, yeah, and that's coming at 0 degrees because I've left it at 0 degrees. So not only can I have different fill patterns per region, per color, I can have them at different angles as well. So now I'm going to choose a different fill pattern. Let's use this circle here, and I'm going to choose to fill the two grey borders. You can see that's okay there, and the CONN. So just for demonstration purposes I'm going to sew that just to show you what that looks like. Once that's finished it'll pop up an export window and I can see pretty well what regions are filled with which fill patterns, rough stitch count and colours. I'm going to export that so we can pop over to the EDS software and load the design up to see what the finished article looks like. There's our design. So it's just the regions, just the parts of the image that I wanted to sew, so you don't have to sew all of the design. You're in complete control of what you want to embroider. Let's do a quick zoom in and you can see the big hearts there. It's difficult to see the small hearts on the dark green, so let me change that colour to a light green and refresh. So as you can see now, you can see the smaller hearts in the middle at a 0 degree and the larger hearts at a 45 degree angle. And that's our finished design. Literally less than 3 minutes to create that design and change the fill patterns. Thanks for watching. If you're enjoying this content, please remember, do like and subscribe to our channel, and you'll get notified of new videos when we release them, which there will be many for ice. Thanks for watching.